Okay, here we have one of them cars again where if you're watching this video and you're after one of these type of cars, then you have to ring me direct and just get it reserved because this one's not going to last the day in my opinion. In the Fuji White, this is the D300 Range Rover Sport HSE Dynamic. The car's only got 18,000 miles, full Land Rover service history, most recently serviced on the 24th of January this year at 16,000 miles, so literally a couple of thousand miles ago. But the reason I know this car's going to sell very, very quickly is because value for money, the engine, which is the new D300, 300 brake horsepower, the colour combination, because it has that beautiful red interior, the black styling, the correct wheels, with such low miles on a 21 registration, under manufacturer's warranty till 2024, it's just not going to hang around. And the car, I can't exaggerate, it's immaculate, it's beautiful. So starting from the front, if you haven't noticed already, I've purposely left the indicator on because it has that beautiful animated dynamic indicators there. The full LED daytime running lights and LED headlights, black styling pack which starts off with the badges, the grills, the bonnet vents, the side vents and the inserts on the front bumper. If you also go low down, because it's a dynamic HSE, you've got the front fog lights in LED, all the colour-coded section to the front splitter, which also carries on down the side skirts. But then this car also has the genuine 22-inch upgraded autobiography wheels, which look absolutely immaculate. Massive difference. If you're looking for a Range Rover Sport, a HSE, a Dynamic, and it's got the 21s on, nice, very nice car. But if you're going to get one, get the finished article, because this is that. Fixed side steps, black mirror cap covers, and every white car should have a contrasting black roof because it looks superb. This car also has a tilt and sliding panoramic roof. Comfort access, but check this out. Love the red interior, and because the car's only done 18,000 miles, you can see right away from the condition of the leather, the armrest, the center console. This one's got a reversing camera system, the full digital TFT dashboard, heated seats, electric seats, memory seats, dual zone climate control, front and rear heated windscreen, Meridian sound system, and you have the entry kick plate which is illuminating. You've got fully fitted mats front and rear. In the back you've got tons of space. Let me get in and show you quickly. So your rear passengers have heated seats. The legroom and headroom, there's just tons of it. This centre section also comes down, which is another armrest with the twin cup holders. There's air vents, pocket holes, there's a carpet and more illuminated entry kick plate. But again, it's the condition of how it's being kept. Front seats, back seats, the back of the seats, the door cards with no scratches. You wouldn't expect anything different, not with 18,000 miles on. Round the back you have the LED lighting system again, the black styling continues. The bigger bumpers with the exhaust fascias there, automatic tailgate with the back seats that go down 60/40. Lots of space, and then you have the spare wheel. It's only a dinky one, but it's better than nothing. For me, condition is key. Specification, the engine, everything about it just all has to work together, and this one does. And look at the price online. You'll see that we've been absolutely keen and correct at the same time. Paddle shift, lane assist, cruise control, stereo controls and Bluetooth control. Flick it into reverse, your reversing camera comes on right away. There's a heated seat. Front and rear heated windscreen, the different driving options, and you do also get two keys with twin cup holders at the front. You can slide that forward with more cubbyhole space just down below, and the centre armrest which also gives you more cubbyhole space. Remember, the sliding roof is a massive feature. The colour of the exterior, the colour of the interior, because the little bits of black Alcantara really do break it up. For me, with 18,000 miles on, it doesn't get any better, and I mean it. Value for money, superb, and it's the D300, because the 21 was a swap over. A lot of them are still the 3 litre, 306 horsepower old engine. This is the new engine. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye now.